Hi and welcome back, welcome to Woody's Wicked Challenges, and today I have the start of my new series called Never Back Down Fridays, and today I'm taking on Kaylee from the Devonshire Idiots, and today we're doing the fridge, freezer, cupboard, booze cupboard challenge. And what that entails is we've got to go to the fridge, the freezer and the cupboard and your booze cupboard and pick an item from the fridge from the bottom shelf, an item from the top shelf in the freezer, an item from the cupboard middle shelf, and the third bottle in from the right of the booze cupboard. So without further ado, let's get on with this. I do apologise about the quality. I've got a new camera, still learning how to use it. Bear with me. I hope you enjoy the video and see you soon. Right, I'm going to go into the the freezer first. Sorry about this, I'm on my own today. And what have we got in the shelf here? Let's just take the shelf out. And what do we have in here? We have some chips, peas, some blueberries. Let's have some blueberries because they're easier to get up and mash up. So I'm just going to put this. Right, I'm just going to go into the fridge now. Right, I'm just going to go into the fridge now. At the bottom. And what do we have in here? Cucumber, lettuce, some grapes and spring onions, some cauliflower, cabbage, broccolis and some sprouts. So I think I'm going to go with a bit of cucumber. The cupboard is next. What do we have in cupboard? I think we're going to go for the worst thing ever for me, which people find when I take this, it's really horrible. So there's the mustard, and the booze cupboard is here. This is the booze cupboard. I'll take the third bottle from the right. So that looks like it is Pinot. This is my mum's favourite stuff, but she won't mind, so. Right, I'm back now, people. I've got my cucumber blended up. Not blended up, ready to be put in the blender. Got the Coleman's. Got the blueberries or raspberries, don't know what they are, just out of the fridge. And this Pinot. So I'm going to add the Pinot into the drink. That's all what's left in the bottle. It was the third bottle. Next I'm going to add these cucumbers. Never thought I'd be drinking cucumber and alcohol together. I've only got a little blender, so I'm going to have to go careful with it. Just going to start blending this up. If my blender had a bigger thingy. Blend it up a bit more. That's what the cucumber looks like blended up. Next we're going to put a handful of, we're going to put a load of these in there, frozen, so I'm going to have to coat with these, with the frozenness. Yeah, why not just whack them all in. They're rock solid as well, but as you can see in my hand, let's try and blend this stuff up. and a bit more. You know what I'm like with mustard? It's absolutely disgusting. Don't know how I can eat it. I don't know why it was even invented. I just give this a last. There it is. Right. Bon appetit. Certainly tastes of cucumber in it. Oh, cucumber overpowers everything. He says. I'm not a chuggy, you know that. I've also started Twitch on live stream on Twitch at Woody the Dyslexic Gamer, Dyspraxic Gamer. Check it out. And this is Ethan. Oh, I'll be buying a new blender as well, so I don't used to have to use it. It's a thought of mustard. I hate mustard. I don't like mustard. It's really horrible. I'll never touch mustard again. It's getting sloppy now. No, not stopping yet. What's in my fridge? Freezer, cupboard, and booze. Vomit. It's horrible. I can't stomach it. Really thick. I hate the bottom of these shit. It's all coming out now. Right. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe. Check out Kennedy and the Devonshire Idiots for the collab. And see you very soon. Goodbye.